What is in my wardrobe? In my wardrobe, I have a sweatshirt, a dress, a jacket, a robe, a shirt, and a skirt. Now make these clothes plural because I have more than one of each clothing in my wardrobe. Tips: to make singular words plural, add s. However, any word ending in s, x, ch, or sh, add es to make it plural. Can you guess what word requires es to make it plural from the clothes I mentioned? The answer is dress. Dress plus es makes dresses in plural form. Sweatshirts for plural, shirts, jackets, skirts, and robes.